Okay, so today we're going to be bleeding the brakes. I'm also going to be doing suspension work, but this is just for bleeding the brakes right now. Got my power bleeder, pumped it to 15 psi, and I've got the cap on my master cylinder up here. So then we'll go down below, and I've already got my bottles hooked up to the bleeder nipples. So then I just need to take, I've got a 3/8. Just get it on there and slowly loosen it. 3/8 doesn't quite fit on there. It's a little too big, so it's stripping. So I just had to use some vice grips, and then you can just open it up and you can see the fluid coming out. Oh, be careful not to take it too far. And then you just want to check your pressure on here. Just make sure to keep it at about 15. Make sure it's still flowing. And actually it looks pretty clean. So I'm going to go ahead close that up. And then I'm going to go loosen it on the other side. Okay, so I've got my brake fluid here. I pretty much pushed all of it that was in here out. It actually, like I said, looked pretty clean, but now I'm just going to go ahead and fill. Okay, so after you fill that back up, go ahead and reattach your power bleeder. And we can do one more drain on the front, and then we'll move to the back, and then we'll fill it again, and then move to the back. So I got the fronts bled. The fluid actually looks almost exactly the same as the new stuff I'm putting in, so at 38,000 miles, mine seemed to be good. There was a little bit of air bubbles over in my front right. So I'm not sure if that was from before or just from when I was doing the bleeding. But now I'm going to go ahead, refill the cylinder, and then we're going to bleed the backs. Okay, so we're doing the rears now. You can do it with the tires on. It's a little bit harder than the front for sure. It would probably be easiest to jack the back up and take the rear tires off to do this, but you can easily leave the front ones on and just turn the wheel to get at them. But as you can see on the backs, the nipple faces towards the inside of the rim instead of back towards the inside of the vehicle, so it's a little bit tighter. And for these, it's a different socket yet again. It is a 7/16 to open up the screw on the bleeder, which if I can do this, I can show you. I got a really short socket or ratchet, or yeah, wrench. It's just right there, and then you can see it's already loosened up, so it's coming out. So we're gonna go up to the front, and we're going to pressurize the system and get these bled.